Antony Lavoisier. Antony Laurent Lavoisier was born to a wealthy family of the nobility in Paris on 26 August 1743. Lavoisier began his schooling at the Collège des Quatre Nations, University of Paris in 1754 at the age of 11. In his last 2 years, 1760 to 1761, at the school, his scientific interests were aroused, and he studied chemistry, botany, astronomy, and mathematics. In 1772, Antony Lavoisier showed that diamonds are a form of carbon. When he burned samples of charcoal and diamond and found that neither produced any water and that both released the same amount of carbon dioxide per gram.
Carbon is non-metallic element. It is tetravalent, making 4 electrons available to form covalent chemical bonds. It belongs to group 14 of the periodic table. Carbon makes up only about 0.025% of Earth's crust. Carbon's block p block, electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. Main isotopes of carbon. 3 isotopes occur naturally, 12C and 13C being stable, while 14C is a radionuclide. Carbon cycle. Under terrestrial condition, conversion of one element to another is very rare. Therefore, the amount of carbon on Earth is effectively constant. Thus, processes that use carbon must obtain it from somewhere and dispose of it somewhere else. The paths of carbon is the environment from the carbon cycle. For example, photosynthetic plants draw carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and build it into biomass is eaten by animals as carbon dioxide. The carbon cycle is considerably more complicated than his short loop. For example, some carbon dioxide is dissolved in the oceans. If bacteria do not consume it, dead plant or animal matter may become petroleum or coal, which releases carbon when burnt. Allotropes of carbon, diamond and graphite. Diamond and graphite both are known as the allotropes of carbon. In these allotropes of carbon, the atoms consisting of carbon atoms in that of the diamond and graphite are bound together by strong covalent bonds with different arrangements.
Difference between diamond and graphite is: diamond, synthetic nanocrystalline. Diamond is the hardest material known. Graphite is one of the softest material known. Diamond is the ultimate abrasive. Graphite is a very good lubricant, displaying super lubricity. Diamond is highly transparent. Graphite is opaque. Diamond crystallizes in the cubic system. Graphite crystallizes is the hexagonal system. Category carbon. Carbon is the 15th most abundant element in the Earth's crust and the 4th most abundant element in the universe by mass, after hydrogen, helium and oxygen. Carbon's abundance, its unique diversity of organic compounds, and its unusual ability to form polymers at the temperatures commonly encountered on Earth enables this element to serve as a common element of all known life. It is the second most abundant element in human body by mass, about 18.5% after oxygen.
History and etymology. The English name carbone comes from the Latin carbo for coal and charcoal. Whence also comes the French charbon meaning charcoal. In German, Dutch and Danish, the names for carbon are Kohlenstoff, Kohlenstoff and Kahlstoff, respectively, all literally meaning coal substance. Carbon was discovered in prehistory and was known in the forms of soot and charcoal to the earliest human civilizations. Diamonds were known probably as early as 2500 BCE in China, while carbon in the form of charcoal was made around Roman times by the same chemistry as it is today, by heating wood in a pyramid covered with a clay to exclude air.